Hi, it's Kay again with Modest Me Design, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do DIY projects, home decor, and home organization. Today I'm bringing you a short video for Christmas in July. And yes, I have a few things I picked up from a community sale that I will be using in my decor this year. So let's get started and I'll show you what I got. And at the end of my video, I'll have a special visitor I'd like for you to meet. So yes, this is a Christmas in July video, but the first thing I have on that I got at my sale was this 2 vases and napkins, and they were $8 each, but everything in this video is half price. So I got 2 for $8 and a set of 3 napkins for 75 cents. And so I'll probably be showing them in my fall display. And then we have some candles. Both boxes were marked at $1, so I got them for 50 cents each. And in the background, a Santa ornament. And I already have a few of these I found at the sale before, so there was another one. I picked him up for 75 cents. Ho, 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 Santa. Can't wait for Christmas. And then I have these 3 stars. They were $2 each, so that was $1 each on sale. And they're just wrapped in glass beads. I'm not sure if I'll use them as is, or if I'll add something to them, or if I'll just use the frame, because that heavy metal frame is just wonderful, especially for $1. And then I have this set of 6 shatterproof ornaments for $1.37 or $1.38. Probably rounded it up. This box of ornaments for the 12 days of Christmas, and all 12 are there, and it was marked at $5, so I got it for $2.50. And what's funny is, after I purchased this, I found it, I think, again twice in some thrift stores. So I didn't purchase it again, but it's funny how this set was starting to show up everywhere. And last, I have these 3 candle holder set. I thought these were so pretty with the poinsettias on them. And they were marked at $4.50 each. Yes. So that's $2.25 for the mid-size and small one. And I think the larger one was $5, so $2.50. So I'll probably put some floating candles on these, but I really love the whole set. And I enjoyed spending my time at this community sale. Well, here's my special visitor. This is Raya, my granddaughter, and she's visiting me for a few weeks, spending some time with her Nana. So Raya, what do you want to say to everyone?
After they see it, I'm gonna say, I'm gonna say, I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe for every other video of my Nana's, and have a great summer. Bye.
Okay, say it again louder and look right at the camera.
No.
Go ahead.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great summer. I hope you have a great summer. And if you want to learn more, if you want to see more of my Nana's videos, press the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys real soon. I hope you have a great summer. Bye, guys.
Great job. And she's off. All right then, everyone. Talk to you again real soon.